CDL Air Brakes Practice Test 2. 30 questions.
Question 1. The tractor protection valve provides the air supply for the brake system. Is closed by the parking brakes. Will close itself automatically if the air supply drops to a certain level. Is all of the above.
The correct answer is all of the above.
Question 2. What is the best way to test your vehicle's low air pressure warning signal? Pump the brakes while your vehicle is fully on. Pump the brakes until the air pressure drops below 30 pounds per square inch. Step on and off the brake pedal with the engine off to reduce air pressure below 60 pounds per square inch. Manually let the air out of your brakes and see if the signal comes on.
The correct answer is step on and off the brake pedal with the engine off to reduce air pressure below 60 pounds per square inch.
Question 3. How would you check your truck's slack adjusters? Press the brake pedal while listening for any strange noises. Use gloves and pull hard on each slack adjuster you can reach. Accelerate, then brake hard. All of the above.
The correct answer is use gloves and pull hard on each slack adjuster you can reach.
Question 4. When should you drain your air tanks? At the end of each working day. At the end of the month. At the end of a trip. At the end of the fiscal quarter.
The correct answer is at the end of each working day.
Question 5. Which of the following is true about your brake function if your ABS fails? It will slow your truck to a halt and force you to pull over. It may cause problems with other mechanical systems, and there could be a huge fire risk. You will still have normal brake function, but you will need to get the ABS repaired soon. You will have no brake function and the truck will be out of control.
The correct answer is you will still have normal brake function, but you will need to get the ABS repaired soon.
Question 6. Which of the following is not part of the air brake system? Emergency brake system. Radio signal system. Parking brake system. Service brake system.
The correct answer is radio signal system.
Question 7. Which of the following is a reason that air tanks must be drained? Your brakes may fail due to the water freezing. Your transmission fluid may drain out. You will drive too quickly if they are not. Your left side brake will cease to operate.
The correct answer is your brakes may fail due to the water freezing.
Question 8. How can you tell if your vehicle is equipped with an anti-lock braking system? If the vehicle is manufactured after 2000. If the vehicle is manufactured after 2010. If the vehicle is manufactured after 1998. Still an optional system.
The correct answer is if the vehicle is manufactured after 1998.
Question 9. Which conditions are front wheel brakes good under? Only good weather. All weather conditions. Not ideal under any conditions. Only wet or icy conditions.
The correct answer is all weather conditions.
Question 10. Spring brakes are made up of powerful springs that are held in back by air pressure while you are driving. Not going to have full effect until your side drops to a certain range, often 20 to 30 pounds per square inch. Brakes that come on automatically on a truck or tractor when the side drops too low. All of the above.
The correct answer is all of the above.
Question 11. Which vehicles must have low air pressure warning signals? Warning signals are optional. Those built after 2005 must have low air pressure warning signals. All vehicles with air brakes currently in operation must have low air pressure warning signals. Those built after 2010 must have low air pressure warning signals.
The correct answer is all vehicles with air brakes currently in operation must have low air pressure warning signals.
Question 12. Which of the following is true about a dual air brake system? One is called the primary system and one is called the secondary system. It uses a single set of brake controls. One system usually operates the front axle and one operates the rear axle. All of the above.
The correct answer is all of the above.
Question 13. The maximum leakage rates per minute after the initial drop are 3 psi for single vehicles and 4 psi for combination vehicles. 5 psi for single vehicles and 10 psi for combination vehicles. 5 psi for single vehicles and 6 psi for combination vehicles. 1 psi for single vehicles and 3 psi for combination vehicles.
The correct answer is 3 psi for single vehicles and 4 psi for combination vehicles.
Question 14. The purpose of a supply pressure gauge is to tell you how hot the air in the tank is, to warn you only if there is too little air in the tank, to tell you how much air is in the tank. All of the above.
The correct answer is to tell you how much air is in the tank.
Question 15. At what measurement is the safety valve usually set to open? 200 pounds per square inch. 250 pounds per square inch. 100 pounds per square inch. 150 pounds per square inch.
The correct answer is 150 pounds per square inch.
Question 16. Which of the following does ABS do? Decreases your normal braking capability. Shortens your stopping distance. Activates when the wheels are about to lock up. Increases your normal braking capability.
The correct answer is activates when the wheels are about to lock up.
Question 17. When should you use the parking brake? Only in urban areas, where there are many other vehicles. Every time you leave your vehicle for any amount of time. Only if you are away from your vehicle for an extended amount of time. Every time you leave your vehicle, with rare exceptions.
The correct answer is every time you leave your vehicle, with rare exceptions.
Question 18. Slack adjusters are between the push rod and S-cam on drum brakes, between the power screw and push rod on disc brakes, part of your air brake system used to adjust the brakes. All of the above.
The correct answer is all of the above.
Question 19. Which of the following factors can cause brakes to fail or fade? Excessive use of the service brakes, not relying enough on engine braking, brakes being out of adjustment. All of the above.
The correct answer is all of the above.
Question 20. Which of the following should you do before leaving your vehicle unattended? Chock the wheels. Put on the parking brakes. Remove the keys. Do all of these.
The correct answer is do all of these.
Question 21. What is the danger of non-functioning low-pressure warning signal? This could cause sudden emergency braking in a single-circuit air system. You could lose air pressure, but you would know about it anyway. Neither of the above.
The correct answer is this could cause sudden emergency braking in a single-circuit air system.
Question 22. The S-cam pulls the brake shoes away from the drum and allows the wheels to roll freely. Forces the brake shoes against the inside of the brake drum. Controls the flow of air to each of the brake chambers.
The correct answer is forces the brake shoes against the inside of the brake drum.
Question 23. How should you check that the spring brakes come on when the air pressure in the system drops below a certain level? Park on level ground, chock the wheels, release the parking brake when you have enough air pressure, shut the engine off, and repeatedly press and release the brake pedal. Park on a slight incline, drain off air pressure, set the parking brakes, and check for movement. Park on level ground, wait for normal air pressure, release the parking brake, move the truck forward slowly, and apply the brakes firmly using the brake pedal.
The correct answer is park on level ground, chock the wheels, release the parking brake when you have enough air pressure, shut the engine off, and repeatedly press and release the brake pedal.
Question 24. Air brake equipped vehicles have an air use gauge, an air supply pressure gauge, a backup hydraulic system.
The correct answer is an air supply pressure gauge.
Question 25. What is a dual air brake system? A two-brake system, one brake for each side of the vehicle. A two-brake system, one brake for daytime driving and one for nighttime driving. A two-brake system, one brake operates the front brakes, and one operates the back brakes.
The correct answer is a two-brake system. One brake operates the front brakes, and one operates the back brakes.
Question 26. What are spring brakes? They are the brakes used for parking. If the air brakes leak down, springs apply the brakes to stop the vehicle. They are the springs on the brake pedal.
The correct answer is if the air brakes leak down, springs apply the brakes to stop the vehicle.
Question 27. If your vehicle has an alcohol evaporator, every day during cold weather, you should change the alcohol from a new bottle. Check the oil for alcohol content. Check and fill the alcohol level.
The correct answer is check and fill the alcohol level.
Question 28. Emergency controlled braking is when you brake as hard as you can, release the brakes when the wheels lock, and apply the brakes again when the wheels start to roll. Apply the hand valve for 1 second and then push hard on the brake pedal. Apply the brakes as hard as you can without locking the wheels.
The correct answer is apply the brakes as hard as you can without locking the wheels.
Question 29. The stoplight switch tells you when you need to use your emergency brakes. Turns on the brake lights to warn drivers behind you. Tells you when the air brake system's air pressure is low.
The correct answer is turns on the brake lights to warn drivers behind you.
Question 30. The brake system that applies and releases the brakes when the driver presses the brake pedal is the _ brake system. Emergency, parking, service.
The correct answer is service.
Thanks for watching.